Hello, welcome to my stress analysis demo. I'm going to show you how to do a static analysis. First, you're going to create your part in part design, and you are going to make sure you have a material applied. Here I have the 6061T4 metal applied. Once your part's all finished, you can open up the Static Study Workbench. This might take a second to load. All right. Here on the right, you can see it's pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of follow the list down. Um, so first what we're going to do is we already have our material applied, but if you miss that step, you can apply it using this workbench. Next, we're going to use our boundary conditions tab. And for this demo, I'm going to apply a clamp. Prevents the surface from moving or deforming. So it's going to be our anchor point. And for this anchor point, we're going to use this side face and just select OK. Next, we need to apply a load, and there's different types of loads. You can use gravity, force. For this demo, we're using pressure. Applies a distributed load normal to the surface, so it's going to be kind of an even pressure downwards across the whole top. For the support, for the load, it's going to be the top of this I-beam. And you can see this is where your pressure is getting applied. For this demo, I'm going to do, let's say 1500 psi. And now we are ready to simulate. So you click on your Simulate tab, and you can just start the simulation. And it's going to open up a dialog down here at the bottom while it's creating the simulation. All right, and as you can see, the simulation completed. Took about a minute or two, depending on your PC. So we can close this window at the bottom right, and we can see that it has deformed our I-beam. And the colored area right now is showing where the most stress is. You can see right here on our plot option window, we have the von Mises stress. And we can choose between quite a few different visuals. We can use the deformation, the displacement. So the displacement one will show up in color where it's furthest away from nominal. Factor safety, and the vectors of force. For the time being, I'm just going to keep it on displacement. And we can actually play the animation and see how that's going to affect it over time. You can play with your time settings using this little clock, and going over to time control, we're going to go to speed and just bring that down to like 8 times, really slow it down. You can see how it evolves. You can turn on your min and max values as well, so you can see numerically what's happening. And that's going to wrap up my stress analysis demo.